Hey there, my name is Waylon, and I am just going to do a really quick raw video. I've been getting requested by tons of people asking me, hey, will you record YouTube videos on exactly what you're doing? I've been recording some Instagram content. You can find me on Instagram at Waylon, WEYLIN.AI. Real quick, just be really quick and straight with you. I don't have a fancy Miro board or anything, visual to show you. It's just gonna be my words and me being super transparent with you about how I am making money. It's really simple. I'm selling AI to local businesses. AI right now, businesses need it. They need to implement it. And they know they need to implement it, but they just don't know exactly how or what even AI is. It's just this big buzzword to them. And right now in 2025, there is what I would call the AI gold rush. You can sell AI solutions to businesses for thousands and thousands of dollars upfront and make what is called monthly recurring revenue, where these business owners will literally pay you every single month, whether you talk to them or not, for these AI solutions. They're basically renting these AI solutions from you. Super simple stuff. Now you might be asking yourself, great, that sounds good and all, but how do I actually get clients? Because that is the only thing that matters, right? What I see a lot of people doing is they share tons of like workflows and N8N templates, or they'll create a fancy Miro board, and it's just a bunch of hoopla. It's just a bunch of junk, right? And when I say junk, it's not junk in the sense that like the content is junk. It's junk in the sense that it's not going to help you make money. The only thing that matters right now, and the only thing that you should be focused on, is the inputs that it takes for you to get the outputs of the result at what you're doing, meaning that you need to focus on ROI producing activities. Now, what does that look like in the agency space, in particular the AI agency space? It means you need to pick up the phone and start sending messages. Really, that's it. Conversations is the only way at which you are going to get closings, right? Conversations is the only way to start a deal, and to start a deal is the only way for you to get clients. So you really don't need to be focusing, and I've already got a ton of questions like, how should I build this agent? Or how should I do this workflow? Can you help me with this, that, and the third? And none of these things matter when it comes down to getting clients. The only thing that matters right now, definitely if you're under 3 clients, means that you need to start putting more inputs in, meaning that you need to start working harder. Yes, I know it sounds crazy. Work harder. That is the only way that you're going to make more money, is by simply sending more messages, calling more people, doing more DMs, walking into more businesses. If you haven't walked into a business and pitched AI yet, then I don't think that you're serious about growing your business. Right? If you haven't made $1, but you've been trying to grow your AI agency for the last 2 to 3 months, my question to you is, how many businesses have you walked in? And if that answer is 0, then that's exactly why you don't have the revenue at which you would desire to have right now in your business. It's because you're simply not willing to, or not doing currently, putting in the work to make the money at which you are desiring. Okay? It takes you actually just doing work. Yes, I know I keep repeating that, but it is so wild to me that this is a foreign concept to so many. You need to pick up the phone and start calling people. How? You might ask, who do I call? Well, it's really simple. You can scrape leads on sites like Apollo, or you can even just simply go to Google Maps and just call people from Google Maps. My favorite way of doing this, and the solution that I really like to sell when it comes down to AI, is going to be an AI receptionist. So my way of doing this is simply just going on Google Maps, finding business owners, calling them, right? I make an introduction and say, hey, do you have a second? I'm a business owner. I'd love to just get a minute from you. Or you can literally just dive right into it and say, hey, I called you yesterday. Nobody picked up the phone. So I spent all yesterday after I called you building you out a demo. Do you have 5 to 10 minutes right now where I can share it with you? Most people aren't going to say they have time right now, but that's when you'll pin them down to another time, because it's a law of reciprocation, right? You are going to already do something, or claim to have already done something for them. And therefore they're going to be more willing to do something for you. And that would be take that meeting with you where you show them the free demo and the setup, right? Now I can give you more details on exactly how this all works. It's really simple. Again, I have nothing to sell you. I have a free group that literally teaches you exactly how to land your first demo in under 60 minutes. Now, again, if you're not willing to put in the work to land this demo, then none of this really matters. You should click off of this video. This video isn't going to help you, and this video is not for you. However, if you're serious about making money with AI and selling AI to local businesses, it is the easiest thing that you could possibly do in 2025. It's not dropshipping. It's not social media marketing. It's not building an ad agency. I've done all these things in the past. I've done everything. The easiest money I've ever made in my life is selling AI to local businesses, and I cannot stress this enough. I can talk about more about my story and everything in some later videos. I plan on doing tons of videos like this. I really like this style where it's just really raw videos, like just me and the camera talking about it. I'm not really big into what you see a lot of people do, that are doing what I do. They'll create a Miro board and create presentations around a bunch of just nonsense that's not going to actually make you money. What's going to make you money is making dials, putting in the work. It's not, if you are under 3 clients or under 5 clients, it's not building out a bunch of systems for you to automate your outreach. You're not there yet. Okay, go make some money, and then you can start learning more about these automated systems and running paid ads. And really that's what it comes down to, is the goal is to scale with paid ads. That's how I've been able to scale my AI agency, is simply just running paid ads. But when I was first getting started, in order to get my first demo, in order to get my first client, the first few of my clients, I was hitting the phones. I was sending out DMs. I was sending out text messages saying, hey, you just missed my call. I'd love to show you how our free demo would work and set you up with a 14-day free trial. Yes, crazy, but I was doing free trials. Some people are not willing to put in the work and or let the work become who they are, but they want the results at which the work would produce. I mean, it really is a wild concept. And what I would urge you to do is to not watch this video. If you've already, literally don't watch this video. If you've got to this point, get off the video and start going to make dials. Start figuring out and getting a list of people to call. It really is as simple as going to Google Maps. You can even go to sites like Indeed and look at people that are literally hiring for receptionists right now. Yes, I know that sounds crazy, but there are people that are hiring for human receptionists at which you can call and say, hey, I see your job posting right here. It looks like you're looking for a receptionist. I actually went ahead and built you out a real AI receptionist that can make it where you don't have to hire somebody and you can still fill this position. Can I show you? Do you have 5-10 minutes where I can show you exactly how this will do everything that a human would do and save your company a ton of money? And that's really the pitch. It really is that simple. I am selling mainly AI receptionists. There are tons of different agents at which you can sell and provide to these local businesses. The key, though, is getting clients. It's not learning 1,000 different N8N workflows or what integration platform we need to use, whether it be Maker.com or N8N or even what AI receptionist software to use. It doesn't matter. There's sites like Vappy, there's sites like Retail, there's sites like 11 Labs. You can create demos with any 3 of these sites that I just named. The softwares and the tools are not going to make you more money. What's going to make you more money is putting in the work to get paying clients and using those paying clients to scale your agency with paid ads. That is the blueprint. If you have more questions, please leave them in the comment section. I would love to answer any questions that you have about this AI agency game and exactly how to start selling AI to local businesses. Keep in mind also too, I run a free group. I have nothing to sell you. Everything is right there. It's completely for free. It shows you exactly how to land your first demo in under 60 minutes. I also have all my exact templates and scripts literally in that group. If you'd like to join, you can head over to joinGetAIClients.com. It's joinGetAIClients.com. I'll also leave a link in the description here. I hope this was helpful. I hope that you stopped watching this video 2 minutes ago when I told you to and you got busy. But if you've made it this far, I appreciate it. Would love it if you could share the love and get busy, get to work. Take care.